Morning, Big D, Flapjack and Beans, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of something different, me and Major Moe. We've got a friend here who wants a bit of help with his motorcycle, so I thought I'd just show you what it is. And it says Yamaha, a Super Tenere. It's in lovely condition. It's a 63 plate. And some years ago we put him all this stuff on autocom and heated stuff. He's got heated Gervin's controller there. We put him satnav on, which is a Garmin, and I pushed the torque button on the handlebar there, and that's what he wants us to strip all that off because he's got a new satnav and he's starting riding again. He hasn't been riding for some time, so we'll show you how we're going with this on the Yamaha. Here we are. Here we are in the workshop. Major Moe now.
It's them 2 bolts there, isn't it?
Yeah. We're deciding whether to cut the wire or not.
Going that will come off it.
Oh, another decision has been made. We've got the new Garmin bracket here, look, by the way, which Paul's bought here, look, which has gone on it locks onto his Tour of Twat tech bracket here, look. The new Garmin Bluetoother, which is going on. And there's his Garmin XT like I had, which he got on the last sale at SMC at Sheffield, the last one. So that's what we're putting on now. We've taken quite a bit of stuff off. The old, what we all used to have, the old autocom and the push to torque, which is here. That's the push to torque button from the old autocom, which we're unwiring now. There's the autocom unit, look, which used to be great back in the day. They still are if you want, especially if you're two up riding, I suppose, and you can chat away. And that's the aerial lead, which was on the back aerial there. And this is the front where it is in and all the wires. We're going on quite well here. We've got one leaning on the shovel, one making tea, and one chatting, but we're getting there eventually. So here we are, look, we've stripped it down now. We're now on the reassemble stage. Yeah, we're on the reassembled stage now. We've just got a few bolts left of. Ah. So that's the new XT mounted on the Tenere, all ready for him to rock and roll. Set in motorcycle mode because it was in car mode when he brought it, but I've set it in motorcycle mode for him now. You can do all the adjustments. Seats back on. That's where he plugged his heated jacket in there. Oh, that's a nice bike.
11-year-old.
11-year-old, yeah.
Yeah.
It's alright though, isn't it, Mo?
Yeah. It's out.
On the amount on it. Oh. Come on, pull your pants up, boy. What are you doing? There we go, the Yamaha Tenere rider. No, Moe's just steady at the back. Forward. Yep. There she goes. Perfect. Perfect. No reverse gear. Whoa. I didn't manage you how to reverse gear, Mo. Hey?
Oh,
I didn't manage you how to reverse gear.
Oh, I can listen to music on my own.
Yeah, you'll have some music on. Yeah, it's paired up to your Cena. You go back a bit more because I've got to bring the Can-Am through.
You're bringing that through.
Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, it does sound well. Got. Like a man of 90.
Yeah.
Like a man of 90 now. Perfect. Oh. Oh, where's Paul gone?
What? He needs
Hey,
around there.
This. Here. Want you? What we have to do on this thing, look, what, 10.5-inch screen. You got a full video come. You can have whatever you want on. And you get this. All your CarPlay.
Oh, okay.
You have to connect your phone with a wire to get CarPlay, like, but. Electric brake. That switches off. Brake on your brake here. Put this switch here, look. Yeah. I don't think it's ringing me. And then you go into reverse, or you push it forward, push it to reverse. It's a rare opportunity. I'm just going to show you young uns. That's what they call a tax disc. They used to have them back in the day, and they also used to have them things here called keys, which I've actually got on the Spider. Bloody hell, I've gone back to a key. But Paul don't mind, do you?
I want to give a big thank you for Big D for
You're welcome.
sorting me out.
Yeah, I'm Big Mo.
Thank you.
And Major
Big
Moe.
Mo.
Where is he, Major Moe? He's coming out now. Come on, Major Moe. Paul just wants to say thank you to you. So we'll get his Tenere to you, Mo. I think the Tenere, I've got to say, it's a nice sound, isn't it? Yeah, it's a nice sound. Oh, very good. Nice and clean up. Yep. You're gonna get run over by bloody Major Moe. See you, Mo.
See ya. Ta-da.